College students and alumni, I am so excited to invite you to our Fall 2023 Career Fair right on our Walsh College campus, Wednesday, October 25th from 4 to 6:30 p.m. We cannot wait to have you on our campus and connecting with so many incredible top employers and companies. We'll have Imagine Entertainment here, Lazy Boy, United Wholesale Mortgage, Ascent Aerospace, BDO, and the Internal Revenue Service. Don't worry, they're here to take applications for jobs, not taxes. But we are so excited that you would consider coming to our campus for this event. You know, it's so important to be in the right rooms with the right people, and especially when we have all these professionals and these employers and hiring managers coming, you can hear what jobs are available, what career opportunities there could be, and really help set yourself up on the path to success. So whether you're looking for a job or you have a job, but you're wondering, I wonder what else is out there for me, or I love the list of companies that you see on the website that we have and you want to connect with folks, register today to attend this event. Do not miss being in this high-powered room, and we will bring all these employers to you right on our campus. So will I see you there October 25th, 4 to 6:30 on Walsh College's Troy campus.